Hey everyone, my name is Tessmann, and today I'm going to show you the brand new product from HUDY. It's the HUDY Magic Gum. First of all, I want to say that it's not like other competitor brands' cleaning putty. This is more firm, so when you have hotter ambient temperatures, it's not going to get so soft, and you'll still be able to use it on your car and not make a mess. So what I like to use it for is when you have spots in your car where you kind of can't get to with a rag or you can't get to with a paintbrush. I'll just stick it in like those cracks. It kind of gets into all the cracks and crevices and pulls the dirt out without just pushing it around. Another really good use for it is what I mainly like to use it for is around engines or on engines, around carburetors, and anywhere you don't want to push the dirt around again. Like around the head button, around the carburetor before you take it off. I'll just push it in there, it'll get into all the cracks, and then just kind of pull the dirt away without pushing it into another spot, risking getting into the engine somewhere. Another place is when the carburetor is already off, then I'll take the boot off, and you'll sometimes see dirt around kind of where the base of it goes. I'll just get the putty in there. That way, because if you push the dirt with a paintbrush, it could possibly go in the slide, whereas right now, if the dirt stays there, you put the putty in, and then it just pulls the dirt away, so you don't have to risk getting it anywhere, just pushing the dirt anywhere that you obviously don't want it to be. So it works super good. Hot, cold temperature works good, so that's the HUDY cleaning gum. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.